back to the Valor Time. Let's go to another interview. It's gonna be a real fun time. Hope you're excited. Episode 2. All right, we're here with some students of Valor, some high schoolers. Are you excited about the snowpocalypse?
Yeah. I'm pretty excited.
What are your plans for the snowpocalypse?
I'm gonna go sledding with my friends.
Sounds like fun, guys. What are your plans for the snowpocalypse?
Sleeping.
Are you gonna have some fun?
Maybe.
Yeah? Is it gonna be a fun time?
Hopefully.
Do you like snow?
No.
Why?
It's cold.
Dude, Holly's been
It's so fun though.
Nicole, tell us what's going on. How are you feeling right now?
Holly just attacked Lindsay really aggressively. And I don't know if I'm okay with it. Not everyone needs to like snow, you know?
But like, it's a fun time.
Why would you not like?
Why would you not want to, have school off, right?
Yeah. And you get to like play in it.
It's so Lindsay
But
said,
like you bundle up. And
okay, Holly, you know how to talk over people?
yeah, I do.
Holly,
I'm
why are you
really
eating
right
while you're talking? Oh, I love you. Hi, Justice.
All right, let's go find some new students. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here back with Justice Chambers, also known as Smash. What are your plans for the Snowpocalypse 17,000?
So if there's no school tomorrow, I'm going to the mountain so I can get some of that fresh powder.
Shred that pow, man. Shred that gnar.
Yeah, dude.
You snowboard?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah?
For sure. I hate all people who ski.
Me too. All right, what are some other plans you're going to do while it snows hard here in the area?
I should probably keep up on my homework, I'll try my best to do my homework and stuff, but
Yeah.
you know how that goes.
Straight A student right here? Straight A?
If you turn an A sideways, it turns kind of like an F.
Justice Chambers, everyone.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi. So I'm going to be talking about how there's going to be a lot of snow tonight. We're calling it the snowpocalypse.
Yeah. So, what are you most excited for with all the snow?
I'm going to build my second snowman in my life.
Snugget Snowman. That's crazy. Are you going to go sledding?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We have a big hill right outside our neighborhood. It's a power line trail. Well, it's basically a mountain that has this trail. And it's called the Power Line Trail.
Cool.
Because there's a bunch of power lines.
Yeah.
And whenever it snows, we go there. And on this one trail part, there's this drop. It's really fun.
Yeah.
And so you just go flying off of
Yeah.
the.
Yeah.
It's really fun. And my big sister, Ellie, you might know her. And when she did it, she went flying off of the sled.
Oh, wow.
It was hilarious.
Let it snow and snow.
Press record right now.
Yeah.
Is lighting good?
Yeah.
It's good? Okay. Alright, welcome to Valentine's. Here we go. Let's go ask a question about snowpocalypse.